Okay, so today punya video is a trick untuk pintu-pintu for IKEA punya kitchen cabinets. Kalau ada sengit ke apa ke korang nak adjust, boleh adjust through the hinges. Okay, kat dalam ni Okay, kalau korang nampak ada 3 skru. Tiga-tiga ni ada, dia akan fix, dia akan change the orientation of the door sikit-sikit. Nanti I explain which screw untuk which orientation. Okay, so this one dia akan gerakkan this hinge ke kanan or ke kiri in this direction. Okay, so what that means is that if this whole thing is moving to the right or to the left, dia merapatkan lagi the door, this door to this frame or jauhkan. Okay, so kita buat yang middle ni pula. Okay, middle ni dia naikkan and turunkan this hinge. Okay, there you go. Okay, so korang nampak sekarang this one dah lekang. Okay, sekarang the door is slightly higher than the right one. So this one is the third screw this one. 1, 2 and 3. This one akan adjust the left and right orientation. Gap here lagi besar daripada gap kat bawah ni, sebab kita dah change that screw tu. Okay, so untuk recap, kalau the door you guys nak bawa dia forward or ke belakang, rapatkan sikit to the frame, adjust screw number 1. Kalau you guys nak the door up and down, adjust screw number 2. And then kalau you guys nak the door go to the left or to the right, adjust screw number 3. Okay, so most of the time, tak semua hinge you guys kena adjust bila pasang the doors onto the frames pakai the hinges. If it is required for you to adjust, memang sometimes ia akan ambil masa sikit and a lot of patience, because you kena adjust sikit-sikit to try and figure out macam between the 3 screws tu macam mana nak adjust bagi dia rapat elok lah. So hopefully with the small tip and trick that I baru share tadi, hopefully korang boleh adjust sampai dah tak sakit mata dah. So that's all for today. Please like, share and comment if you found this video helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.